Oh yeah, it's bro B. Boozing time, baby. Aw yeah. And it's time to make that spicy chili mango, y'all. Alright, so first you want to get your chili mango BuzzBall. Now you're gonna add your tahini.
Hit my music and yeet.
Alright, now you're gonna add your 99 mango. Alright, followed by your mango vodka. So now you're gonna fill it up with your ghost pepper soda. Boom, get that out of here. All right, time to give it a mix.
Ooh, this bugger.
Oh yeah, this will give you a nice little warm up inside, y'all. You definitely taste the mango, and then you get hit with that ghost pepper, that little bit of tahini, and that chili mango. If you like the taste of fresh mango, you're gonna like this, y'all. And you like spicy, you're gonna like this. Oh yeah, and it'll definitely get you lit. Y'all, to the next one. Oh yeah.